Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Your iPhone constantly gathers data to present you with highly targeted ads, making your online experience feel deeply personalized. This often means your activity is tracked across various apps and websites, sometimes feeling a bit intrusive. But don't worry, in 2025, Apple still offers powerful, built-in privacy settings that let you take control. We'll show you the most effective way to significantly reduce this type of ad tracking, enhancing your digital privacy instantly. The most impactful step you can take to manage personalized ads is activating the Limit Ad Tracking feature directly in your iPhone settings. Just open your Settings app, tap on Privacy and Security, then scroll down to Apple Advertising, and simply toggle that option to On. By enabling this, you're telling advertisers to significantly reduce their use of your data for targeted ads. Remember, you'll still see ads, but they won't be tailored specifically to your interests anymore. To further fortify your privacy, you must manage individual app tracking permissions, especially with Apple's App Tracking Transparency. Head back to your settings, tap on Privacy and Security, and then choose Tracking. Here, you'll see a list of apps requesting to track you across other applications and websites. We highly recommend denying permission for most, if not all, of these requests. This crucial step prevents specific apps from building detailed profiles of your online behavior. Your Safari browser also comes equipped with powerful privacy tools to significantly reduce ad exposure and tracking. Go to Settings, locate Safari, and then ensure Prevent Cross-Site Tracking is enabled, along with block pop-ups. These essential features work together to stop websites from following your activity across different sites and to block annoying advertisements that unexpectedly appear. Utilizing these settings greatly enhances your browsing privacy, making your web experience much smoother. While these steps are the most comprehensive way to manage personalized advertising on your iPhone, remember to regularly review your privacy settings. iOS updates occasionally introduce new options or reconfigure existing ones, so it's smart to check periodically. You cannot eliminate every single ad, but by following these guidelines, you gain significant control over your data. Staying vigilant about your privacy ensures your personal information remains secure and private in the evolving digital landscape.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.